In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best mixer grinders available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the mixer grinders list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the mixer grinders mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, 2500G Herb Coffee Bean Grinder Machine. Introducing the number 5, a state-of-the-art 2500-gram herb coffee bean grinder machine that redefines the art of grinding. Designed for coffee connoisseurs and culinary enthusiasts, this machine effortlessly transforms coffee beans and herbs into a perfect blend of flavors. With a generous capacity of 2,500 grams, it accommodates large batches, ensuring you have ample supply for your brewing needs. The precision and efficiency of this grinder make it an indispensable tool in the kitchen, delivering the optimal coarseness for your coffee or herbs. The 800-gram capacity for herbs and coffee beans adds versatility, allowing you to cater to varying needs in your culinary adventures. Number 4, Discount Coffee Grinder Grain Spices Mill Wheat Mixer. Embrace affordability without compromising functionality with the number 4 Discount Coffee Grinder. This versatile appliance caters to a range of culinary requirements, from grinding coffee and grains to blending dry food seamlessly. Available in multiple sizes, 2500G, 2000G, 1500G, 1000G, and 800G, this grinder provides options to suit your kitchen demands. Elevate your cooking experience with the convenience of this versatile and budget-friendly coffee grinder. It seamlessly blends the realms of affordability and quality, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen seeking efficiency without breaking the bank. This mixer grinder's link in description. You can check more information and buy here. Number 3, ZhouTu Stand Mixer, 8-speed electric kitchen mixer. The number 3 appliance, the ZhouTu Stand Mixer, is a culinary powerhouse designed for efficiency and versatility. Featuring 8 speed settings and a digital timer, this electric kitchen mixer excels at various tasks, from whisking dough to grinding meat, and even making sausages. Its multifunctional design extends to include a juice blender feature, making it a comprehensive kitchen companion. Elevate your culinary endeavors with the ZhouTu Stand Mixer, where precision and convenience converge in a single appliance. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this mixer is poised to revolutionize your kitchen experience. If you want to get more information and buy this mixer grinders, please check the link in description. Number 2, 7-in-1 Nutri Blender Food Processor Combo. The number 2 appliance is a game-changer in the kitchen, a 7-in-1 Nutri Blender Food Processor Combo that transcends conventional blending. This innovative blender is more than just a smoothie maker, it's a versatile kitchen companion. Offering functionality as an ice smoothie maker, mixer, blender, chopper, and grinder, it becomes an all-in-one solution for your culinary needs. Experience the convenience of preparing a myriad of recipes with just one appliance, streamlining your kitchen processes. Whether you're blending nutritious shakes or processing ingredients for a gourmet dish, this Nutri Blender Food Processor Combo stands as a testament to efficiency and versatility. Number 1, 3-in-1 Blender, Meat Grinder, Juicer, Stainless Steel Kitchen Mixer. The number 1 appliance is a triumph of multifunctionality, a 3-in-1 blender, meat grinder, and juicer housed within a robust stainless steel kitchen mixer. Crafted by Sonifer, this appliance marries the convenience of a blender, the precision of a meat grinder, and the health benefits of a juicer in a single, sleek unit. Boasting BPA-free construction, it ensures the safety of your food, while the stainless steel build guarantees durability. Elevate your kitchen capabilities with this 3-in-1 marvel, providing unparalleled efficiency and convenience for a diverse range of food preparation tasks. From refreshing fruit juices to perfectly ground meat, this appliance is a testament to the seamless integration of functionality and design.